Oh, Swastiastu. My name is Igeni Masrananta, number 4, and my friend.
My name is Ida Bagus Wideka Saputra, number 24. Here we will have a dialogue about bad comment in social media.
Gus, have you seen the last post about otot kering?
Oh, that's right.
Yes. Look at the first comment. What do you think about that comment?
Even though the comment offer many perspectives, we also have to be wiser in commenting on social media.
Oh yeah, that's true. Thank you Gus for sharing your opinion.
Welcome.
That's all from us. Thank you. Om Santi, Santi, Santi Om.